me a lighter, Mandy. Hurry. Take this, film it.
What
Hurry.
the fuck? Chris, it's coming toward us. I'm going with my baby.
Go with the babies. Go.
My babies.
Go. Leave that door so I can get in. Leave that door so I can get in. Oh my God! Holy shit! Look at this, bud. You ready to run with me, okay? You ready to run with me, buddy? Fucking shit! Look at all the rough shit, bro.